The sun drifts westward. The resilience of Shunshi slowly softens into the fullness of Youshi. In ancient times, this hour was known as the return of the rooster. When birds sought the forest, chickens returned to their coops, and the day's labor drew toward its close. But in Xinjiang, Youshi does not mean rest. The shining light has not yet slipped beneath the horizon. Life and work continue, flowing with the warmth of harmony between people and the world. Falconry, once a means of survival for nomadic peoples, remains sacred to the Kyrgyz. Kurmax Kutman continues the rites of his ancestors, quietly, precisely, and his grandson, Tiemuerbek, has become the 9th generation of falconers in their family.
тура деп асырып сен тапып жүрсең ошо өсүңдө бүркүт тууралуу жазган журналдарыңды мага айтып берсең.
Бүркүттерин шаңышты, телебосорун таңышты.
从他青年到现在的暮年，这几十年都是跟鹰打交道，然后时不时的也会突然想起他年轻时候跟随着他自己的父亲那辈人的驯鹰经验，也就是自己记载，然后自己保留着。我想知道的这些驯鹰这一块的一些问题啊，我都会咨询我爷爷。现在的话，也已经属于是最老的一个驯鹰人了。
Tumşuğu şükettir. Tumşuğuna... Jet yakın var. Arak durma metre.
我们柯尔克孜族的话，就是一个游牧民族，从几千年以来都保留着这个文化。
Бүркүтчү коому курулду. Мелей алып, коо тагып, салбурундап кеп салып, ата мурас жөрөлгө.
鹰跟马都是通人性的，对它温柔待它，温顺那种跟它喂食呀，然后跟它多接触，培养感情，其实也没有很大的难处的。
At 5:10 p.m., Tiemuerbek tends to his falcons, feeding, training, grooming their feathers. A routine of repetition, yet full of quiet understanding. For this young falconer, Youshi is an hour of intimacy.
我们一般训练鹰的时间段的话，就是在下午时间段，给它喂食，用假猎物训练它的时候都是在下午。 每天的傍晚给它喂肉，然后再训练它。这些驯鹰传承人都是跟它就当做一家庭人一样的对待。从捕鹰到放鹰这个过程就差不多持续到了5到6年时间，然后第6年就得把它放归大自然。 这就是我们驯鹰人与天空的一个约定，再不忍心都得放。
On the edge of the Tarim Basin, the sun pours down with a generous glow. At harvest season, the cotton fields roll like seas of white, plump balls glimmering under the evening light, spreading into endless waves of silver. Born among the cotton fields, Aizizi Rexiti watched them grow year by year until he, too, joined the harvest.
3 başlıq bax teriş maşinasida 3 grup 5-dən 6 adam hər ili 5000 moddan 6000 modca baxdan terib tökdüz. Her xil tayyorliklarni oldin tayyorlab, mushu qish tushib ketguncha paxtani pak-pak yig'ishtirib bo'lishga tirishimizga ham kafolat qilamiz.
Here in Xinjiang, mechanized harvesting has become the norm. The roar of machines has made cotton harvests swifter, more efficient, and incomes far greater than before. For Aizizi, cotton is not only his livelihood, but also his bond with the soil.
Meniki ailem yazılarda bo'lgan ekan, yazılar cho'ng'ish jarayonida biz asos jihatdan yezalik ishlarni qilish, paxtachilik ishlarini qilish, ishlarini ko'p shug'ullangan bo'lishqa, hozirmi bir xil shu paxtaga bo'lgan mehrim bor.
Youshi is a gentle yet steadfast symphony, resonating among people, animals, and the land. Xinjiang people know well to harvest with respect, to give back in turn. This is the covenant of Xinjiang, and this always is the true meaning of harmony.